Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrick Edward. Today we're doing an unboxing of my first Nendoroid figure. Do you know who it is? As you saw in my first video, I have a collection of Funko Pops, scaled figures, but now we're going to start collecting Nendoroids. Okay guys, so here's the figure. You can see around the box that there are different poses for this figure. You can see one wearing a jacket, one wearing a black tank top, and also the other one is a topless version. Okay, without further ado, let's unbox the figure. So you can see Shinya Kogami. Let's just remove it here. It's a really nice toy. I'm really excited to open this because it's my first Nendoroid. Very nice. The box there. Wow.
Yes.
I don't know what to say. There are a lot of different parts. So this is the smoking face, the leather jacket, the topless one, then different arms and hands. Then this is the stand, because Nendoroids can't stand on their own. I'm really amazed. So he has different guns. He has this pistol or handgun, then he also have this rifle, and then a cigarette, and also a lighter, and then his dog tag, and this one I think is something where you can put the hand pistol or handgun. How do you open this? Okay. Oops. Okay, so it's the hand with the pocket. Hands with the pocket. Put it there. Too many plastic. It's very hard to do this in front of the camera. I hope I don't break it. Okay. Let's be careful. I don't want it to break. Okay. Okay, that's his face. The serious face.
Wow.
Okay. It's good to leave it there as it is. How do you do this? Oh my god. Okay. So this is the black undershirt. So he only has one bottom part. I really like the color of the pants. It's the army green color. Maybe I'll just remove it later. Plastic here. I guess this is the shouting face. Oops. So the cigarette is very small. Accessories. Very cute. Okay. There's another plastic on top. Here's the stand and the topless torso. And then I like this jacket. It's very nice. Then the smoke, oops. The hands. The smoking face. You can see there's a hole on his mouth. So we have those. Okay. So it has a stand. Does it really stand? So you can see the other one. Okay. Does it stand? Okay. The jacket. So he has another dog tag here. Okay. So those are the parts of the Nendoroid. Okay guys, so I'll be posing this. I'll be using all the different parts to pose Shinya. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how we unboxed Shinya Kogami Nendoroid from Psycho Pass. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like the video and share your thoughts about the toy by leaving a comment below. And please do subscribe to my channel. See you again next time!